Hi Jacqueline, welcome to SnapMath. Thank you for sending in your question tonight. So we have these two functions, f of x equals the cubed root of x when x is greater than 0 and y equals x. Those are our two graphs of each function. Now, what we have here is they're trying to find what q, the coordinates of q and r, both exact and approximate. So now what we want to do is we're going to start by finding the coordinates of p. So p, the x coordinate is going to be 4 because that's given to us. And the y coordinate is going to be found by plugging 4 into our function. So the exact coordinate of that, we're just going to plug in the cubed root of, just plug in 4 right here. So our exact is the cubed root of 4. Okay? And then if we approximate this cubed root of 4, it's just going to be 1.59. So the approximation of p, the coordinates of p, is 4, and then 1.59. All right? Now to find q, we're going to look at our graph. The coordinates of q. So p is straight over, it's parallel to the x-axis, so that implies that the y coordinates are going to be the same. So we're going to leave this first spot blank, but we know the second spot, the y coordinate, is going to be the same. So we're just going to plug this all the way down into here. So since it's the same, because it's straight over in the graph. So that means the y coordinates are going to be the same. And then since q is on this blue line, this straight line, and the function is y equals x, that means since y is 3, the cube root of 4, that means it's equal to x. So x is y, or the cube root of 4 also. So that's what our q coordinates are, and our approximations of that is just we needed 3 decimal places. So that's 1.1.57. And then, so we're going to plug that back in, 1.587. And then since this is the same again, 1.587. And it's the same because it's on the y equals x axis. Now r, we're going to use q to find r. R is right below q. So since it's right below, we're going to take the same x coordinate, which is, we're going to take it from down here and plug it into our x coordinate, which is our first one, our first spot in the coordinates. And now to find, I'm going to come over here, to find the y coordinate, we have to plug what our x coordinate is into this original equation right here. So f of the cubed root of 4 is going to be the cubed root of the cubed root of 4. Because that's what we have to plug into the equation. That's what goes in here, is the cubed root of 4. And that's just going to equal the 9th root of 4. That's the same. These are equal. So then we know the y coordinate is going to be the 9th root of 4. And then if we do our approximations, it's going to be the same as before, 1.587. And then our y is going to be 1.167. And then these are our two answers right here. It's q and r, where the exact coordinates are these, and then the approximations are these. All right. Thank you for sending in your question tonight, Jacqueline, and we look forward to answering more of your questions in the future. Have a good night.